things. You come along searching for one thing.